Alright guys, hello again. So I'm going to go over some different forms of quadratics and show you how to convert them all to standard form so that we can be a little more consistent. You'll probably learn these later on, but first form is standard form, which we've talked about, ax squared plus bx plus c. The second form, okay, and I should say don't forget to find the vertex in this one. We do negative b over 2a, plug that back in to find the y. For the second form, it's called vertex form, and it's a times the quantity x minus h squared plus k. Now in this one, the vertex is h comma k. Okay, but we're going to talk about how to convert that to standard so we can be consistent again. And then factored form. Now often we will use factored form to find our intercepts. Sometimes they start like that, but it's a little harder to maybe find the vertex then, and there is tricks around that. And again, you'll learn that later. But for now, we're going to be consistent. So let's start with the vertex form. So if I wanted to convert this to standard form, I'm going to do the order of operations. So the order of operations, that PEMDAS thing, first thing parentheses. So what I need to do is make this x minus 4 times x minus 4. That's what x minus the quantity x minus 4 squared mean. That does not mean x squared plus 16, which a lot of people try to do. You have to square that whole quantity. Okay, so in this case, we have to FOIL. So first is x squared. Again, we still have this 3 out here. Outer is negative 4x. Inner is negative 4x. And then last is 16. So I'm multiplying those all together. Then at the end, we still have that plus 9. So if I simplify this, I combine like terms, and I get that. Okay. My next step is to distribute this 3 through. So that gives me 3x squared minus 24x plus 48. And then I still have that plus 9 at the end. Okay, so then I just combine like terms here. And I get my final answer of, let's do orange, that's my favorite, 3x squared minus 24x plus 57. And now we know how to work with that. Okay. Second thing, factored form looks like this. So multiplication can be done in any order you want. That's basically all this is just multiplying and multiplying. So if I wanted to, I could make this 6x plus 18 first, and then I could FOIL. Remember, FOIL, first, outer, inner, last. So 6x times x is 6x squared. 6x times negative 4 is negative 24x. 18 times x is 18x. And then 18 times negative 4 should be negative 72. So I combine like terms, and I get that. Okay, so if I wanted to find the vertex now, I do the negative b over 2a, all of that stuff, and I should have put y equals 2. Okay, good talk.